Okay, children. Now we are going to practice 3-letter words with short vowel E sound. Okay. What is the short vowel E sound? Yes. A. A. Okay. Shall we start now? Yes. First, what sound is this? B. A. Be. This is D. Bed. Bed. And now we'll change the last letter. What sound is this? G. Beg. Beg. Got it? Now we'll change the first letter. What sound is this? D. A. Day. Now I'm changing the last letter. Day. Den. Got it? Then we'll change and first letter. This is F. A. Fe. And here comes D. Fed. Fed. Okay. Then I'm changing the first letter. This is G. A. Gay. And here it is T. Get. Get. Change the first letter. What is this? H. A. Hey. And here it is Hey. Hen. Got it? Now I'll change the first letter. What sound is this? Yes. J. A. J. And this is T. Jet. J. T. Jet. Got it? Now I'll change the first letter. L. A. Lay. This is T. Let. 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 Now I'll change the last letter. Leg. Leg. Got it? Now I'll change the first letter. What is this? S. A. May. And this is May. Men. And here I'll change the last letter and it is T. May. Met. Now I'll change the first letter. What is this? A. Ne. Net. Got it? Now I'll change the first letter. What sound is this? P. A. Pay. And here T. Pet. Pet. Now I'll change the last letter. What is this? Yes. G. Peg. Peg. And here I will change the last letter again. And here it is. What is this? Pay. Pen. Got it? I'll change the first letter now. And here also last letter. Yes. What sound is this? R. A. Re. This is D. Red. Red. Here then first letter. This is S. Yes. S. A. Say. And here T. Set. Then I'll change the first letter and here also last letter. Yes. This is T. A. Te. And this is ten. Got it? Now I'll change the first letter. What is this? Is W. W. A. Way. This is B. Web. Got it? Now I'll change the last letter. What is this? Is T. Way. T. Got it? Next one. So we are finished with 3-letter words with short vowel E sound.